How to fix a missing drive in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. It is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of a drive missing in Windows. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure that the computer is not infected. This can help to prevent further issues with the Windows operating system and ensure that it is functioning properly. In the navigation pane on the left, expand Storage and select Disk Management. Click on Action in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Rescan Disks. Check to see if the drive reappears. Try to access the drive to ensure it's working properly. Double-click on a disk drive's category to expand and reveal the devices within. Right-click on your disk device, then select Properties. Within the Properties window, click on the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Under the Services tab, tick the Hide All Microsoft Services box. Click on Disable All button. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.